Assalamu alaikum students of class 8. Welcome to your lecture of English. This is your instructor Aisha Salim. Students, as in the previous video we had started present perfect tenses and we had done affirmative sentences. I hope that you all have done the exercise in your copies. So in today's video we are going to do negative and interrogative of present perfect tenses. So first of all, the important point is that this video is for both of the groups, and group B will do this homework on 23rd June Wednesday, and group A will do this work on 24th of June Thursday. Okay, so before doing the exercises of present perfect tense, negative and interrogative, let us remind the previous concept. As you all know that the Urdu identification of present perfect tenses के जुमले के आखिर में चुका है, चुके हैं या फिर चुकी है आता है. उसके अलावा मैंने आपको बताया था कि जुमले के आखिर में या है, जी है या फिर ये हैं भी आ सकता है. So the helping verb was has and have, that we all have to use, and we all have to use third form of verb also. So in the negative sentence of present perfect tense, this formula is something like this. First of all, you all have to write the subject, then the helping verb according to the subject, has or have, then we'll add not, then third form of verb, and then object. And in interrogative, the helping verb will become in the start of the sentence, has or have according to the subject, then the subject, third form of verb, object, and then the question mark. So now here is an example. It's an old example. मैं ख़त लिख चुका हूँ. I have written the letter. It's a simple sentence, and the negative of this sentence is I have not written the letter. So now you can see that I have written subject here, then our helping verb, then not, third form of verb, and the object. And in interrogative, the helping verb has become in the start of the sentence, have I written the letter, and then the question mark. So now as we had discussed the rules of present perfect tenses, so now open your books, grammar composition, and open page number 81. Here are some more examples that we are going to do. I will read it randomly. Okay. While translating negative sentences, we use not between has or have and the third form of the verb as the following sentences show. So now here is written the same thing that we had discussed in the previous slide. So let's start. उसने किताब नहीं फाड़ी है. He has not torn the book. Now you can see here that he is a singular subject, so we have used has here. Okay. So now गाड़ी रवाना नहीं हुई है. गाड़ी रवाना नहीं हुई है. The train has not started. बादशाह ने ताज नहीं उतारा है. The king has not taken off the crown. मोर जंगल में नहीं नाचा है. The peacock has not danced in the forest. Moving towards page number 82, here are some more sentences. सूरज नहीं डूब चुका है. The sun has not set in. औरतों ने दुल्हन को नहीं सवारा है. The women have not made up the bride. दूल्हे ने नए कपड़े नहीं पहने हैं. The bridegroom has not put on new clothes. छत नहीं गिरी है. The roof has not given way. So these were the examples, and we have also discussed the rule of present perfect tenses. So now here is the exercise that you all have to do in your homework. First 5 sentences will be done by me, and others will be done by your own self on your copies. As you all know that you all can take help from this vocabulary portion also. So make it usable. Okay, let's start. उन्होंने गुमशुदा बच्चे की तलाश नहीं की है. They have not found, या फिर आप searched भी लिख सकते हो. They have not searched the lost child. Next is आपने मेरी दरख्वास्त मंजूर नहीं की है. So दरख्वास्त मंजूर करने को एक्सेप्ट करना कहते हैं, एप्लीकेशन एक्सेप्ट करना बोलते हैं. ठीक है. You have not accepted my application. अदालत ने मुल्ज़िम की दरख्वास्त पर गौर नहीं किया है. The court has not considered the application of the culprit. उसने अपनी बीवी पर एतमाद नहीं किया है, ही हैज़ नॉट ट्रस्टेड हिज वाइफ। चौकीदार अपना फ़र्ज़ अदा नहीं कर चुका है, द सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हैज़ नॉट पेड हिज ड्यूटी। सो नाउ the other sentences will be done by your own self. I hope that you can do it easily. So let us move towards forward. Now here are some examples of interrogative sentences. As I had told you that in interrogative sentences the helping verb will become in the start of the sentence. So in translating the interrogative sentences or questions, we use has or have in the beginning of the sentence, followed by the third form of verb, such as. Now here are some examples. Let us read it. क्या तुम काम ख़त्म कर चुके हो? Have you finished your work? क्या ये लड़का इम्तहान पास कर चुका है? Has this boy passed the examination? And a question mark. Students, remember to put a question mark. Okay? Don't forget to put a question mark in interrogative sentences. It is compulsory in interrogative sentences. क्या शिकारी परिंदे पकड़ चुका है? Has the hunter caught the birds? तुमने इस आदमी को कहाँ देखा है? Where have you seen this man? आपके दोस्त ने कब शादी की है? When has your friend married? क्या उसके बेटे ने आदमी को मार डाला है? Has his son killed the man? आपने डूबते हुए बच्चे को किस तरह बचाया है? How have you saved the drowning child? क्या डाकू साफ बचकर निकल गए हैं? Has the robbers made good their escape? क्या उसने अपनी बेइज्जती का बदला नहीं लिया है? Has he not taken the revenge of his insult? क्या अकबर ने अपने फ़र्ज से गफलत नहीं बरती है? Has Akbar not neglected his duty? Here are some more on page number 83. उन्होंने अपना काम मुकम्मल क्यों नहीं किया है? Why have they not completed their work? तुमने अपनी सारी आमदनी क्यों खर्च कर दी है? Why have you spent all your income? उसने अपनी पहली तकरीर कहाँ की है? Where has he made his maiden speech? क्या उन्होंने शादी पर आतिशबाजी का मुजाहरा किया है? Have they displayed fireworks on the occasion of marriage? क्या तुम्हारा भाई पहाड़ की चोटी पर पहुँच चुका है? Has your brother reached the top of the hill? Okay students, so now here is a point written here. In translating negative sentences we use not between has or have and the first form of the verb with ing. Okay, so let's start. As previously I will do first 5 sentences for you, others will be done by your own self. क्या तुम बाजी जीत चुके हो? Have you won the games? क्या तुम्हारे साथी भाग चुके हैं? Have your companions run? डाकू ने अमीर आदमियों को कहाँ लूटा है? आदमी को कहाँ लूटा है? Where have the robbers depredated the rich man? आपने मेरे लिए टिकट क्यों ख़रीदा है? Why have you bought a ticket for me? इस बच्चे को किसने बिगाड़ा है? Who has spoiled this child? So students, these are the sentences, interrogative sentences. I have done the 5 sentences and others will be done by your own self, and you can take help from the vocabulary part below the sentences. Okay, and now it's your homework that you all have to do both the exercises on copies. Okay, and I will check it in your classwork in your class, physical classes. So students, best of luck and do your homework very neatly. We'll meet in next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.